morning students. You know already we have started the fourth chapter, operations on fraction. Today we are going to learn showing fractions on the number line. So now you know the number line, and in the number line you have to represent the numbers on the line. So you know how is the line. This is the line, and on this line we have to represent the number. So when we represent the number, we have to start with the 0, and from 0 at unit distance you have to place the numbers. So unit distance means there are the lines which are on the equal distance like this, and on this line which is divided into the unit distance, we represent the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the number line, and you have to represent the fractions on the number line. So for that purpose we will take an example here. What is the example? Represent 3 upon 5 and 3 and 1/5 on the number line. So there is one improper fraction, one example of mixed fraction that you have to represent on the number line. So how to represent them? So when you have to represent the fractions on the number line, you have to focus, you have to think what is the denominator of given fraction. So in this example you can see there is a denominator 5, and as there is a denominator 5, you have to divide each unit distance into 5 equal parts. What is that? So 0 to 1 you have to divide unit distance into the 5 equal parts. So how is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So see, 5 equal parts I have divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means there is a string, and this string you have to divide into 3 equal parts. So how will you divide it? 1, 2 and 3. So equal parts. So similarly on this number line, each unit distance you have to divide it into the 5 equal parts. So this distance also you have to divide it into the 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and already is 5. Now you can see that each unit distance is divided into the 5 equal parts. Why 5 equal parts? Because the denominator of the given fraction is 5. So now you see in this example 3 upon 5, what is the numerator? Numerator is the 3. Means you have to start from the 0 and count 3. So from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this place here. From 0 you have to count 3. 1, 2, 3. So this place is representing 3 upon 5. Means how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Out of how many parts? Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Third part means 3 out of 5. Means 3 upon 5 is represented here on the number line. What is next? It is 3 and 1/5. Means 3 is what here? 3 is complete. 3 and 1/5 means 3 is complete. So you have to consider about the complete part. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Complete. After that 1/5. 3 and 1/5 means 3 complete, and after that 1/5 means after 3 you have to think 1/5. So after 3, 5 parts already are there. Out of that you have to take 1. Out of that 1 means this part. After 3, this is the 1 here. After 3, this is the 1 part out of this 5. So this is the 3 and 1/5. So you can represent the mixed number in this way. You understand this? Now for example, we will take another example. 4 upon 7. So here you have to see what is denominator, and the question is that you have to represent this 4 upon 7 on the number line. So what you will do? You will draw the number line, take the unit distance 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to whatever you can take. So and you have to divide then each unit distance into the 7 equal parts. Here how much we have done? 5 equal parts. For this example, for representing 4 upon 7 on the number line, what you will do? You will divide the unit distance into the 7 equal part, and out of that 7 equal part, the 4th part will represent the 4/7 on that number line. Another example we will take 2 and 3/8. So for this, representing this image number on the fraction, then what you will do? First you will draw the number line, show the unit part 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and then you will divide each unit distance into how many equal parts? 8 parts. So here we have done 5 because example was of 5. If there is example of denominator 8, then you will divide this unit distance into the 8 part. As there is a 2 complete. So 1, 2, take 2 here complete, and out of that 8 parts, just after the 2, third part will be the 3/8 portion. So that will be representing 2 and 3/8 part on that type of number line. So I hope that you understand how we have started the 4th chapter, operations on fraction. In that chapter, the next topic that we are going to learn today is multiplication of fractions. So multiplication, you know usually how we do the multiplication of complete numbers, means whole numbers. 3 into 5. So we know 3 5 is 15. Now here we are going to learn how to multiply the fraction. So let's start. Here is the example that we have taken, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 7. What here you have to do is see the numerators. Numerator here is 2, numerator here is 5. So what you will do in this multiplication of fractions, you will multiply numerator to numerator, 2 into 5, and you will multiply denominator to denominator, that is 3 into 7. So calculate this. 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21. In this way your multiplication of the fraction is completed. There is one more example. It is 7 into 1 upon 3. So 7 into 1 upon 3. Even though the 7 is complete number, this 7 can be represented in the form of fraction. And how is that? Because every number is having a denominator 1. Every number is having a denominator 1. But we don't represent 1. So here 7 upon 1 into 1 upon 3. So it is a type of fraction. So we can calculate it. So that is equal to numerator multiplied by numerator. So what is numerator? 7 and 1. So 7 into 1. Denominator into denominator. So what is the denominator? 1, 3. So 1 into 3. So that will be equal to 7 ones are 7. 1 3s are 3. In this way your multiplication is completed. Here we will discuss one word problem to understand multiplication of fractions. So what is the example? Ram has 16 acres farm. He planted sugarcane in 5/8 of land. On how much acres has he planted sugarcane? So in this example you have to find how many acres of sugarcane is planted. So here it is given that 5/8 part of sugarcane is planted out of 16 acres. So Ram has planted 5/8 part of sugarcane out of 16 acres. Therefore we can say that 5/8 of how many? 16 acres. He has planted 5/8 of sugarcane out of 16 acres. So 5/8 of 16, and you know 5/8 of 16 means what? 5/8 into 16. 5/8 of 16 means what? 5/8 of means it is usually a multiplication. And there is always a denominator of any whole number. So now as we have learned the multiplication 5 upon 8, that is numerator into numerator, so 5 into 16, and the denominator into denominator 8 into 1. 16 is in the numerator, 8 is in the denominator, that is 16 upon 8. So 16 upon 8 means 16 is divided by 8. If we divide 16 by 8, what is the answer that we will get? That will be equal to 2. So here for that purpose, what we will do here a division by by cancellation. So 8 ones are and 8 twos are. Remain here 5 into 2. In denominator there is a 1 ones are 1. So that is equal to 10. So 10 acres of land. Therefore, Ram planted 10 acres sugarcane. So this is your answer, 10 acres. So thank you. Have a nice day.